Have you ever wondered if we can cry in space? Crying is a physiological response that, it must also be said, there is nothing wrong with it. On the contrary, it has benefits on a psychological level, but also on a physiological level, since the tear lubricates and helps to clean the surface of the eye. Therefore, the human being should be able to cry also when traveling to space, but what if we are in microgravity? In that circumstance, like when we travel through space, there is no gravity that can make the tears fall from our eyes. Faced with this doubt, the astronaut of the International Space Station, Chris Hadfield, decided to carry out an experiment that was broadcast live and in which he would simulate what it would be like to cry in space. Before that, in the book entitled Maple Leaf in Space, its author, the writer John Mullally, asked Hadfield about tricky situations in space, and the astronaut told him about the problems he suffered when his eyes got irritated once and began to cry. The experience was not pleasant, according to what he said. And it is that, in the experiment that Hadfield carried out on the International Space Station, he demonstrated that by not having enough gravity, tears do not end up falling from his eyes as they would on Earth. But layers of tears are formed over the eye. The astronaut did the experiment by intentionally spilling drinking water from a drinking sachet into his left eye. The result was as expected, and his eye filled with water, like a large water bubble attached to the eye and its surroundings. And it is that in microgravity, liquids tend to form spheres that remain floating or adhere to the surface they find. So, we can conclude that yes, you can cry in space. But it is not very pleasant, and it would be preferable to avoid it. And this adds to a long list of things, routine on Earth, that become a real problem in space. As from going to the bathroom, brushing your teeth, or preparing a sandwich. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to learn more curiosities. See you in the next video.